In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can use Immersive Reader. It's available in all up-to-date versions of Microsoft Word, including the web version, which is where you'll be accessing most of your work, to make reading large chunks of text easier. This is particularly useful if perhaps you're dyslexic, or if, like me, you tend to skip over words and miss important details. This is a very useful app regardless of how easy or difficult you find reading. So here we are, I've got an extract of reading comprehension text that was in the School OneDrive folder, and I'm going to click on View. Bear in mind this is the web version of Microsoft Word, so you should be able to access this on whatever device you're using. And I'm going to click on the View tab. I'm then going to select the Immersive Reader option. This will then load, and you'll see that all of a sudden it's reformatted the text quite dramatically. I'm going to click on the little AA text preferences button up here, and this will allow me to adjust my text size to something that I'm comfortable with. I can increase the spacing, or I can leave it alone. I can change my fonts, and I can also select my color filter. You'll see there's a great deal of different color filters depending on what you find is easiest to read. Personally, I prefer black or white. That is entirely up to you. Now we're going to skip over the grammar options because they're not terribly useful. The next thing we're going to look at is our line focus. If, like me, you've got a horrible habit of skipping important details, you can ask Immersive Reader to focus on a particular line, 3 particular lines, or 5 lines. I'm going to go for 1 line if I want to read something really carefully, and then I've got my up and down arrows to move between the different lines to help me focus on exactly what is being read. Finally, if I'm not sure how something should sound, I can use the voice settings here in order to be able to listen to it. So I've got it set as female, but you can set it whatever, and you've also got an option to increase or decrease the voice speed. So I'm going to leave it at its default for 1. And if I script back to the beginning, I can now play this and listen to the text being read to me.
1,000 Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. This extract is from the climax of a novel set.
So as you can hear, the expression that's given in the reading is excellent, and it just helps you, particularly with words you're not quite sure about or how to pronounce. It can be very useful for that. And that is Immersive Reader. Very simple, very straightforward, and very useful.